Hello, and welcome back to Diecast Graveyard. My name is Paul. Thanks for joining me today. We've got a really cool wheel swap today. We've got a newer casting. This is a Hot Wheels 73 Jeep J10. Now I saw this truck and I said, you know, the paint job on this thing is actually really cool. And I love the orange metallic paint on here, or the pearl paint. It's really sweet looking, but it is just screaming for a wheel swap. So go ahead, grab your favorite adult beverage, or if you don't drink, grab a Coke or a coffee or whatever, and sit back and relax and enjoy today's wheel swap. And of course, if you have any questions, please put them in the comments. And let's go ahead and get started with today's wheel swap. This is going to be great.
It's time to start the autopsy.
I've already drilled out the post, so let's go ahead and take this apart and see what components are inside this truck. Here's the body, and again, this paint is absolutely beautiful, this metallic orange or pearl orange. I like the silver accents in the Hot Wheels decal. We're going to put some details on the lights. Here's the interior and the headlights. We're going to detail those too. Here's the sleeve that goes over the top. That's actually pretty cool. The lights on top are already detailed in. That's looking pretty cool. Here's the base. And again, those wheels need to be swapped out. So while we have this here, let's just go ahead and pop those bad boys out. Now I'm going to take my flat tip screwdriver and I'm going to widen the areas where the axles go through. So it'll make it a little easier to put the new wheels in. Just bend those little tabs back just a little tiny bit and we'll be able to get those new wheels in there. Here I've got some smaller Samed wheels with the chrome rims. Those actually look pretty cool. I'm just not sure if they're too small. Go ahead and press that like button, smash it away, and hit that subscribe button. If you're getting anything out of these videos, that helps me create content for you, and it's free. So please go ahead and mash those buttons, and we'll be bringing you a whole bunch more of new content. And of course, if there's anything you'd like to see, put it in the comments, and I'll do my best to get to it. Yeah, these wheels look pretty cool. But again, I'm checking it out. And they seem to be just a little bit small. Let's try something different here. I got a couple of different sets out. Now these are 10mm wheels. Actually, they're 12s. These are 13s. These are 13s. These are a little bit bigger. And I like the gray, and that will go good with the decals or the tampos on the side of the Jeep. The Hot Wheels logo with the Hot Wheels in silver or gray. I think that'll look pretty cool. Yeah, those tend to fill up the fender walls a lot better. But they do move, okay? So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to glue these axles in place so it removes that play and the wheels won't rub on the inside of the fender wells. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to go ahead and glue those in place, and that'll take care of that problem. Here I've got some JB Super Weld. Now I've been using this for a bit and I definitely like this product. Make sure you only put a little bit and then you use the UV light to go ahead and cure it instantly. You should hold it for about 5 to 8 seconds and it will completely harden that. Now you may see a little bit of smoke there, but it is going to hold those wheels in place. Now with this JB Super Weld, you need to make sure that when you store it with the light side down, because the glue accumulates in the nozzle and it will harden and you won't be able to get anything out of there. And there's today's tip from your Uncle Paulie. Here we've got all our pieces. We got this beautiful body for this Jeep, and again, I really love that orange metallic. I went ahead and I detailed the taillights. I detailed the headlights. Here's the base with the new Samed wheels, those beautiful Samed wheels. Here's the sleeve that decorates the outside. Let's go ahead, put everything together, and give my creation life.
Lies! Lies! Do you hear me? Give my creation life!
And here's what I started with. This Hot Wheels 73 Jeep J10. This is actually a very beautiful casting. Now we took it apart, or I took it apart. I went ahead and I drilled out the post and got that taken care of. I evaluated all the parts, and I put some new wheels in there from Samed Wheels, and then I put it back together. Now, this was a lot of fun. I truly enjoyed it. And when you start doing your customs, if you haven't done this before, most everybody starts out with just doing wheel swaps. And this is definitely a good way to learn how to drill out your car, how to customize it, how to put some new wheels on there, maybe some decals, or even a little bit of clear spray paint. But you'll learn these things as you go. And again, this is a lot of fun, and I recommend this hobby highly. So subscribe to my channel. We'll teach you all kinds of new things, and we'll have a lot of fun together. And here's the result. Look at how great those new wheels look. And this is just a simple custom. But you can do this to any vehicle, any Hot Wheel, any J10, Greenlight, Matchbox, Johnny Lightning, etc. It's just screaming for you to do it. And as I always say, folks, you can do this too. Watch the videos I put out. Watch the videos some of my other friends put out. And we got a lot of folks out there that do this hobby also. But check out their channels and subscribe to them also. Now again, if you have any questions, please reach out in the comments. I promise you I read every single one. And if I can get back to you to answer your question, I truly and surely will. But this was a lot of fun, and I want to thank Enrique Samed from Samed Wheels. This video today is brought to you by Samed Wheels. Samed Wheels has a very large variety of wheels and accessories for all your die-cast needs. Check out their website and look at all the different varieties of wheels they have. The hardest decision you'll have to make is which ones you want. Samed Wheels at www.samedwheels.com. Check them out today. I want to thank you for joining me in Diecast Graveyard today. Go ahead, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll put out a whole bunch more content. And I've got a whole bunch more stuff coming out in the very near future. And check out the super huge, ginormous build-off coming to you soon. I'd love to see you participate. Thank you, and cheers.